Hey guys, welcome back. Can't tell it's hot out here. It's like the second hottest day in a row of the year, I think, here where I live. Not sure, but it feels like it. You can tell behind me, we're gonna be a little bit ambitious today. We're gonna try to take the transmission and the transfer case out. Let me turn y'all around here right quick. Basically, to be honest with you, really don't know how to take it out, but I am assuming that I can take this part here and I'll drop that U-joint, and I know there's a bolt here and a bolt here, I believe, because I need to replace that bushing. And this drive shaft for the, I can take it apart right down there, and then with the cherry picker it's going to kind of put a strap around here and one back around here and try to move it over to the table and just set it there. But that's my main goal. If we get that done, I'll probably flip this so it fit out the door, and then we'll take it off the dollies and we'll blast the insides of these rails out with some water. Try to get all that nastiness out of there. Camera don't do it justice, but it's pretty nasty in there. And get that far, I think we're doing pretty good. But kind of want to take time to say hope y'all have a happy 4th of July. It's coming out Monday before, so hope y'all stay safe. If you're out on a lake, you know, be responsible and treat fireworks with some respect. Hadn't had a close call in years, but just remember way back in the day, canister flipped over and shot between my great aunt's legs, hit the front door, exploded. So be mindful of them. I think we're gonna go to the lake and have a cookout and fireworks with friends and family, so really looking forward to that. But also thank y'all, whoever been clicking my Amazon link. It does help out a lot, and especially if you click on something and buy something within 24 hours, doesn't matter what it is, you can click on it for spray paint and you end up buying makeup. I still get a small percentage of that, so anything like that really helps channel and helps me out and helps Bronco get further along. But that's my ring. Anyways, enough talking, let's jump into it. We'll start by disconnecting the drive shafts first, and then we'll work on that mount in the middle and then strap it and see if we can bring it over here, and then we'll try to clean the frame off a little bit more. Let's see how far we get. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, got the transmission out finally. Gonna drop this off the dollies. We'll show it there and shoot some more down the frame rails right quick, and see how much gunk we can get out of there. Well guys, you can see it's kind of getting dark. That frame had a bunch of stuff in it. Let's go out there right quick and I'll kind of show you what it looks like. A little bit more rusty than I figured. I don't think there's any rust through, so I think we'll be all right. But let's go look at it right quick. All right, probably gonna leave it up like this for a little while. I want to see, get all the water drained out of it. You can't really see in there too well, but I can see down the rails, especially that one. Looks pretty clean. Tell by all the pecans that there was either like a rat or squirrel living in this rail here. And that took me forever to clean out. But water took the dirt, and the really wasn't that much grease on it, which is surprising. You can kind of see there. I need that. Wonder what happened to that. That goes to my body mount. There's the back end. This side. I was going to kind of leave it like that for a little while, so I might take it up a little bit more. And kind of help it drain the water out the back of the frame rails. But yeah, pretty excited. Let's go in and look at the transmission and transfer case. Alright, we got that out with the cherry picker. Surprised these little things held as well as they did. But probably need to shove this up and put a block underneath the transfer case to kind of keep it how it's supposed to be. But I plan on taking it all apart and putting new clutches in it and rebuilding it. Looking at the transfer case, it worked when I used it, so I don't really know what I'm doing there. Might see if my dad knows what to do about that, but we'll definitely clean it up and paint it, make it look nice, as well as the transmission and the engine. Anyways, I think that'll do for me tonight. Kind of feel accomplished. Like I said, we got the transmission transfer case out, got the frame rails cleaned out as best I can get them. Just hope the whole thing don't turn to a big rust ball by the time I get back. But so I wish y'all happy 4th of July again. Hope y'all stay safe, have fun. Like I said, we'll be at the lake. But anyways, thank you again for sticking with me. Next time we may go ahead and start take the motor mounts out and start removing all unnecessary lines, which is pretty much all lines on it. So I'm planning on getting new brake lines, fuel lines, all that good stuff. And we'll kind of just keep on breaking it down until we can't anymore. And then not work on a transmission and a transfer case and getting that all cleared up or cleaned up and painted. But anyways, thank you again. Don't forget to click the Amazon links down below. And like I said, when you buy something, don't matter if it's what you clicked on or not, within 24 hours I get a small commission off of it. Like I said, that really does go help out a lot with the Bronco. Looks like I'm gonna need all the help I can get it. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.